Logan, two more.
Come
Wait a minute. One more. One more. Ready? I have. Okay. All right. Now hold it, because some of that's from Grandma and Grandpa too.
Look, Daddy, look.
What's that?
Daddy, look.
Oh wow, a puzzle?
Daddy, look.
What's
He
that?
got a new book.
A new book.
Rolling. Forget it. Yeah, forget it.
Hold on, Michelle. Wait. Let's. Okay. Well, go ahead and have fun.
Daddy, look, he got a new
What's he got? Wow. What you got, Roland?
Roland, Michelle, Roland.
Hey, Roland, look at the camera. Hey, Daddy, look, a new book.
Another book. What's that? Oh, a workbook. Oh, there's a card on it. Did you see the card?
Yeah.
Oh, better open the card. See who that's from.
What kind of card is
Michelle, watch it. Michelle, watch it.
Whoa, clothes, Roland.
Oh,
My thoughts exactly.
Daddy, look, 5.
5? What's that say? Open it up. That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa and Grandma.
Put it on here first.
Daddy, this one's for me too.
What's that one say? That's for Roland. That's for Roland Beals.
I think my horse got. Look at that.
Wow, what's that, Roland?
Let's open it.
Oh. What you got there, Michelle?
Oh, a new one. Daddy, look.
What's that? Oh,
Yes, I always wanted this.
that's beautiful.
Daddy, look.
What?
One has a car.
What you got, Roland?
He got a little car.
Cars.
Lighting in the queen. Hey, look. There's
Beautiful balloons, huh? Yeah.
I'll put it in the chair before I get dirty on the table, Michelle. There you go. Oh,
Whoa.
now. What's that, Roland?
What? What's that?
Daddy, look! Cars!
Oh, wow. Oh, I know that game.
What?
I'll teach you that game. Uno.
Okay.
No, that's Uno. That's kind of a big girl game. You think you can play that one?
Yeah, that's a car. What's that?
Oh, yeah? What's in there? Wow.
Open it, Roland. Open it up.
Open.
Huh? Daddy, look! I always wanted this.
Wow, what you got?
Daddy, look.
Whoa, that's a big hand.
Daddy, this is
A magnifying glass,
I
huh?
always wanted this. Daddy, look! Dumbbells! Look, puzzles!
What's that, Roland?
Who's that, Roland?
Daddy, look! You look much bigger too.
That, I do?
Yeah, when I look at my Yeah. Hey, that's for me.
That says, let me see what it says. No, that's from Roland. That's from Aunt Carol. Did Mommy get the ones that were up on the refrigerator for?
Yeah, that is one.
Okay, there. For Michelle. That's some for Michelle.
Son when
Okay, that's for Roland. What's that?
I don't know the one's here. It's bigger than me. And it's a kite.
A kite?
A dinosaur kite.
Oh, dinosaur kite?
Yes, I always
Roland,
wanted that. See?
It is a dinosaur kite. It might be.
I know that song. It's from Lightning and McQueen.
You're right, it is.
Hey, can you help me open this? Can you help me open this? Can you help me open this, Daddy?
You need some help with that one?
Yeah, come on. Help me.
Okay, well, look at Roland. We're watching Roland dance right there.
Daddy.
Okay, you need some help? Okay. I'll hold. Where do you want me to hold? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rip it.
Oh, you want me to rip it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Daddy, look, another one.
Whoa! Who's that from?
I don't know.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Christmas, Grandma?
Yeah, they know good presents, don't they?
Yeah. And you get presents for me too. Look at me this.
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, Michelle.
Oh, it's unscored.
That's for our favorite daughter.
I'm gonna open this.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
That's a good brother to help you open your presents, huh?
Look, a hiding book.
A hiding book?
Yeah.
Who's that from?
I
Is that from Grandma and Grandpa too?
think so.
Or is that... Oh, that's not a hiding book. I know what that one is. I think Daddy, Mommy got that for you. That's a learning book. Yeah?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
Hey, that's a roll card.
Binoculars, huh?
Yeah, that's like. Thank you, Mommy. I hope this is a puzzle.
You hope so? Why? You like puzzles?
It is a puzzle.
It is?
Yeah, see?
What kind?
You remember this movie?
No, what movie's that?
The one with the one.
Oh, Monsters and Aliens.
Yeah, it's Monster Aliens. I love Monster Aliens. Thank you for Hey, look, new clothes.
New clothes?